Hi, I'm Steve. Welcome to Shop and to Ferrico Wood Stuff. I'm just going to do a little bit of a tool review. I've just been wanting a rebating or rabbiting block plane for a while, and this came available. It's a Luban. So it's just, I say straight out of the box, but there was a cardboard box and it was in a polythene bag. So I just thought I'd do a quick review. On the face of it, a little bit of a mark on the paintwork, but everything else looks rather pristine. The lever cap and the press here looks okay. Probably that could be a little bit smoother. Looks a bit sort of rough machined. I don't know if you can pick that out. The blade looks alright. It's got a bit of sort of travelling oil on. I'll wipe all that off. Looks like it's been sort of linish ground. Doesn't feel very sharp. It's well machined. Plate that it sits on. Brass nailed thumb screw at the end. All in all, first impressions, looks quite nice. What we'll do first is we'll give it a try really sort of straight out of the box, so I'll just set it up first. See how it goes. This thumb wheel here, put pressure on the blade and hold it flat against the base. Lateral adjustment is by the hammer. Looks like it wants to go that way a bit. It's okay. We'll just give it a try. It's got a wee bit of pine. It's got a knot in it, but see what happens. Sort of taking a cut, but not too brilliant. Well, we'll try it on a little bit of harder wood. A bit of cherry. Cherry's always good for oh, it's a bit of a struggle. So I would suggest that the blade isn't right at all. And the next thing is to see how back the blade back off again. Bit of a grinding noise there, so I wonder if I got it too tight. Probably. The corners are a bit sharp. We've got to see how flat it is. Straight edge, put the straight edge on there. That's a 0.05mm feeler, or 2/1000 of an inch. Just a wee bit of a gap around here. You can see if I can pick it up. There, you can just see that. There's a gap at the mouth there. So just see if I can if I tighten up that wheel, see if it makes any difference. Yeah, so it's down to what's your tension like? A little bit of a gap. So let's put it on the granite stone and give it a little bit of a lap. I've got a piece of granite here. I think my marker pen's running out. So I'll just put it on some, try on some 400 grit and just see where we go from there. It's not overly bad. I mean, it's touching the heel and the toe. A little bit of a dish in there. So I'll just run through the grits. Give it 10 minutes. 120. Well, if the truth be known, actually 10 minutes out to be over an hour. Just removing any sharp corners with a smooth file. Now to give the blade a little bit of TLC, so I'm flattening the back. Yeah, this took a while too. We got there in the end, nice and flat and polished. Final step, just to give it a sharpening and give it a really good edge. Right, give it a trial, first on the pine. Note to self, wear gloves next time, them fingers are a disgrace. They're not on the cherry. What it will be mainly used for, which is trimming down tenons. And finally, a bit of an end grain test. So after a couple of hours of sharpening and tuning up, turns out to be not a bad little plane this. I'm quite pleased with it. Hope you enjoyed watching.
like, subscribe, comment. See you again soon, and happy woodworking.